Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change an image white in Canva. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Canva and I have a project open so we can demonstrate this. So we have our background, we have our image, and we want to turn this image white. And you might want to do this for a variety of reasons. It can be useful for word art, for any number of things. And we're going to show you how to do it. So first off, you're going to select the image. And then you're going to select Edit. And then you're going to select Duotone. Select Custom. And now you're going to see that the image has changed and you've got a kind of black and white shading. So we're going to select the black, and then we're going to turn the black white. And as you can see, there is still a little bit of light shading there. And so if we go to the white highlights and we just turn that all the way down, then you can see now that it is completely white and we have that kind of silhouette there on our background. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.